There's a volcano on Earth that erupts bright blue fire. In Indonesia, there's a volcano called Kawah Ijen, and it produces something almost no one believes is real: electric blue flames. It's not actually blue lava. The lava is normal. But the volcano releases so much sulfur gas that when it touches the hot air, it ignites, creating glowing blue flames that run down the rocks like rivers of neon fire. At night, the entire crater glows bright blue, like something from a sci-fi movie. It's one of the rarest natural phenomena on Earth, and almost no volcano creates flames like this.